But think about not having those anymore.
Hey, bro, I'll tell you, I was talking with my girlfriend and I was like, because I've been doing martial arts since 7 years old. So a martial arts school is like home to me. It could be someone I don't even know. If I walk in, it's some home,
Woo.
So it's been a long time, and I've lived in countries and trained. It's just a lot of time and experience. But I was telling her that, I sometimes I'll stop and go on. I mean, this is many years, And so I actually have a school called Studio 540 over here, down the street from my house here in San Diego, and incredible guys and just amazing guys. And the thing about martial arts, when you kind of talk about community, is like, if they see you out and they know that you can play, they go, why aren't you coming in? Why aren't you? And it's just this natural thing. And I think it's like something that's super cool. And I think this is kind of what I was getting with this, is that people that deal with addictions, even if you have them, things like that, I think you got to get healthy and strong enough to go do something that actually is fun, not just the gym. Because I get it, you go to the gym, but you got to find something to use that muscle. Go decide to take a cool hike to a mountain you've never done before, and utilize, I guess, don't just go to the gym and be like, I'm glad I moved this iron. Okay, great. Go use it somehow. Go, you know what I mean? And I think that we miss that. I think that piece of the puzzle is that us guys and us men aren't doing shit.
That's it. You're it, bro. That's how you stay sober. Yeah. I love it. I just wish. And so that's a component in recovery and in life that we miss. So that's where that self-check comes in. Like, you see programs out there, they have like their recidivism rate is absolutely ridiculous. Like, people are they're not getting sober. And it's like, okay, wait, you just spent 6 months in a program and you didn't get sober. Why? Because it didn't fuel the brain. I can stop using drugs. Think about like this. The military uses behavior modification, right? They put you in a setting, they give you a uniform, you have a cut, you look like everybody else, you sleep with everybody else, you eat with everybody else, like everything's perfect. That's what we do in recovery. We give you all the tools. Here you go, Jason, this is you. The problem is that's a behavior modification. I could stay sober for 6 months because I'm in a safe, clean environment. But as soon as you remove me from that environment, my habits, my mind, you didn't change my mind. You didn't change my nature. My nature wasn't changed. My behavior was changed. And so now I come back out, my nature takes over. And so that's what's so important about changing. Like you're saying, dude, moving iron's one thing, but going out and connecting and hiking and being physical, totally different.